Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed quinoa. First, rinse 1 cup of mixed quinoa under cold water using a fine mesh sieve to remove any bitterness. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of your chosen liquid, like water or broth, in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Once simmering, cover the saucepan tightly with a lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until all the liquid has been absorbed. Do not lift the lid during this time. After cooking, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 5 minutes. This step allows the quinoa to steam and become perfectly fluffy. To enhance the flavor, fluff the quinoa with a fork and stir in a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. You can also mix in fresh herbs such as chopped parsley or cilantro for a vibrant taste. For a more substantial dish, consider adding cooked vegetables like roasted bell peppers or a lean protein like grilled chicken. This makes your quinoa a versatile and delicious base for any meal. Your perfectly cooked mixed quinoa is now ready to serve. Enjoy it warm as a healthy side dish or as the base for a hearty salad or bowl. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It reheats beautifully. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.